In front of me is Realme 8, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first, just open the list of all apps and go to settings, enter additional settings, and mark backup and reset. And here you need to open erase all data, and you will notice a reset network settings. Just mark it, enter the password that you have, and then confirm that you truly want to remove all network settings. Click on it, and that's it. As you can see, network settings has been done, so you can set it up from scratch. And that will be all. This is how you can reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.